benefits of garlic oil with source. Benefits: improves digestion, reduces inflammation, treats metabolic disorder, relieves headaches, powerful antioxidants, regulates diabetes, prevents obesity, maintains respiratory health, strengthens immune system, stimulates nutrient uptake, performance enhancer, strengthen bones. Now Foods Garlic Oil Review. Description: Herbal supplement, equivalent to whole clove garlic. A dietary supplement. Botanicals Herbs. Family owned since 1968. GMP Quality Assured. Suggested use: take 3 softgels daily, preferably with food. Other ingredients: soybean oil and softgel capsule, gelatin, glycerin, water. Not manufactured with yeast, wheat, gluten, milk, egg, fish or shellfish ingredients. Produced in a GMP facility that processes other ingredients containing these allergens. Warnings. Caution: for adults only. Consult physician if pregnant, nursing, taking medication, or have a medical condition. Keep out of reach of children. Do not eat freshness packet. Keep in bottle. Natural color variation may occur in this product. Store in a cool, dry place after opening. Customer reviews. For discount and more reviews, click link in description.